Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this logo video edit on CapCut PC. So select your logo and then go to effects, and you're going to go to lens and you're going to add in the edge glow effect to it. Hold on, let me just make it 3 seconds. And then you're going to also go to the light effect and you're going to add in angel. Just adjust the strength a little bit so it's not too much. Go to comic and also add in the neon effect to it and add it below everything. And just adjust your atmosphere. If you don't want an outline, you can just simply turn it off, but I want to add the outline. Go to media and add any color that you want on top. Go to blend mode, linear burn. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. Go to animation and go to combo and then just select cube. Like any cube that you want really. That's basically it really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!